So I'm going to do this question at the top here. So the first tricky part about this question is that you're adding fractions that have different denominators. So the important thing to know here is that you must make the denominators the same to be really clear on the question. So if we do the top one to start with, we have 5/16 and we're adding an unknown amount of 8s. So we know what our denominators are, but we don't know what our numerators are. But because we know how many 16ths we have, we can actually start the question. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, with my 15/16, I am going to take away 5/16. And I know that 15, when I take away 5, I'm left with 10. So I have 10/16. So that leaves me with a much clearer picture of what I'm supposed to do with my 8s. I know that my answer here is 10/16, but I can't write 10/16 because it's written in 8ths, not 16ths. So if I were to put an 8th here next to my 16, I know that 16 is double 8 and 8 is half of 16. So here I would have had to divide by 2. So what I need to do is the exact same here. Essentially I'm just halving it, but it can also be said as dividing by 2. So with my 10, I'm dividing by 2. So if I divide by 2, I'm left with 5. You need to remember here, whatever you do to your denominator, you do to your numerator as well. So because I divided my denominator by 2, and that left me with 8, I needed to divide my numerator by 2 as well, and that left me with 5. So here, I would write 5. So my full question would be 5/16, and I'm adding 5/8, and that is equal to 15/16.